Oh. Do you see that? Oh, no. No. Let's start off with a base, shall we? I got two options here. That's literally all they had. I got tan and I've got nude. I kid you not. What is this? I have honestly been at this for like 5 minutes. This is insane. But I think I'm getting coverage. My face is starting to itch. Could you imagine if I'm having an allergic reaction? Did you see that? Did you see that? That is pigmentation. I have been blending forever and ever and ever and ever. As a last attempt to somehow make this work, I'm gonna try to apply this Wet n Wild glitter. Oh, the lashes are not the worst thing ever. They're kind of cute, but the glue is questionable, very questionable. It smells like super glue. So this is a finished look. It's not that bad. At least I don't think it is. It's not the best. My face is a little splotchy. My eyes are a little rough around the edges, but I mean, I would wear this in public. Would I do this again? Probably not. It was very difficult to do. It's hard to look presentable using these products in my personal opinion. But, oh, and the ingredients. Some of the ingredients are very questionable. Like that glue, that eyelash glue, it smelled like super glue to me. I would never apply that again. No. But it was fun, so I do recommend you try. You might find a diamond in the rough somewhere in the 99-cent store, somewhere in the Dollar Tree. You never know.